Hello everybody. Today we will learn more about animation, and in this sequence I will teach you today how to do shape twin. To perform the shape twin, first of all we have to draw a figure on this work area, and I am just taking the polygon polystar tool from here and color that I choose this one, and now I'm drawing the polygon here, polystars you can say also this one. Now this is the figure drawn by me on the work area. Now after creating the image on the work area, you have to click on the timeline, choose any frame and click there. After clicking on the frame, I chosen the frame 50. You have to click on the button function key F6. This is the limit in which your animation will happen of shape twinning. And after clicking on the F6, you have to choose the middle of this one. I am choosing here the 25 frame, and on the 25 frame you have to insert the blank keyframe. To insert the blank keyframe, you have to click on the function key F7. After clicking on the F7, a blank screen appears there, and on this screen you have to draw any other image for the shape twinning. Suppose in this polystar tool I am choosing the another option, uh, like in this one option is there, option style I am choosing the star. I will convert the polygon into star with this number of sides 5 and click on OK. After clicking on OK, I have to change the color also of the inside. I am choosing the color green, this one, and now I am drawing the star on the work area. This is my star here on the work area with the color green in between. That is the fill color that I have used here. And after clicking creating the another image on the screen, first of all you have to choose the first part in which you have done the inserted the blank frame, and in the first part click anywhere in between and come on the properties panel, and in the twin option click on the shape twin. After clicking on the shape twin, your image will be changed like this, and in the another half again you have to click somewhere in between and choose again in the properties panel shape twin. Now it is there with the shape twin. It completes your shape twinning. Now if you want to preview your twinning, you have to press Ctrl plus enter key like this, and your movie will export and the shape twinning is performing there on in front of you. This is how the shape twinning happens. Hope you all have understood the concept. Thanks for watching.